Welcome students. Let us see a very interesting topic from the chapter sets. The interesting topic today we are going to discuss in this video is Venn diagram. But before coming to this topic Venn diagram, we need to discuss universal set. So let us start with this term, universal set. Before defining this term, universal set, we'll try to understand with the help of a very simple and interesting example. Suppose we take a set having first three letters of English alphabet A, B, C. Let us take another set B of all the vowels of English alphabet A, E, I, O and U. Let us take another set C, last three letters of English alphabet X, Y, Z. Here in this case you see all these sets A, B, C are subsets of set of letters of English alphabet. Suppose you denote it by U, where there are all the English alphabet A, B, C, D to X, Y, Z. All the 26 letters of English alphabet. So in this case you see here A is a subset of U, B is a subset of U, C is a subset of U. Here this U is called universal set. Sometimes universal set is denoted by U or it is denoted by X. Okay. Now we understand that universal set is in any particular context, this is the superset and other sets are subsets of this biggest set of this superset. So how we can define universal set? We can define that in any particular context, if all the sets are subsets of any biggest set, or you can say this is superset. In any particular context, if all the sets are subsets of any biggest set or superset, it is clear with the help of this example. All these sets are subset of this biggest set, which is the set of all the letters of English alphabet, or you can say this is superset also. So in any particular context, if all the sets are subsets of any biggest set or superset, then this biggest set is called universal set. This is called universal set, and it is denoted by capital U or capital X. Correct? Suppose we want to give one more example. Suppose we take a set A having all even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Or suppose you take another set, here all numbers multiple of 5, means 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. Here we find that this set A is a subset of set of natural numbers, as well as set B is a subset of set of natural number. So in this particular case, this set of natural numbers n is called universal set. Here n means set of natural numbers is called universal set. But in this particular case, generally we denote it by n, natural number, set of natural number denoted by n generally, or sometimes you can denote it by u or x as per our requirements. So hope you have understood what is universal set, and our next topic in the next video we will be discussing Venn diagram. Okay, so please remain in touch with my videos and enjoy learning mathematics. Wish you all the best.